What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We have your art therapy session sorted out for you this evening. We are going to be drawing this very cool Zentangle owl for this evening's show. We're going to be drawing this one. Here we are. So what were you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a life coach and sketch artist. I upload art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, Zentangle patterns on a Tuesday, and mandala drawings on a Wednesday. And I'm also a sketch artist, so I draw people's portraits for them to photorealism, either their family members or their pets, cats, dogs, anything like that. If you're looking for me to do a commission piece for you, you can email me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. If you want to check out any of my work, any of the books I produce, any of the t-shirt designs, any of those sort of designs, my Redbubble store, anything like that, you can go to my website, www.romeosketches.co.uk, and you can check out all of my stuff. Links are in the description below. The mandala drawings that I do on a Wednesday, at the moment what we're doing are reference sheets. We are creating these brilliant reference sheets. Let's see if I can find one for you. So we're creating these reference sheets for you for when you create your own mandala drawings. Follow any of my reference sheets on a Wednesday. There's a playlist available and you can create your own reference sheets. That way when you do come to create your own mandala drawing, you're not going to be stuck for any ideas. You're about to just copy one of the patterns that you've created on this and apply it to your mandala, either in this book or any other mandala template that you may have created. What I'm doing on a Friday now, Friday 8 o'clock, I do a live session. That's right, I do a live session on a Friday on my YouTube channel where I'm drawing from my How to Draw Mandala book. If you haven't got this book, pick it up. It's at the, you follow the link in the description below. You can pick it up from my website or from the Amazon store. Just Google How to Draw Mandalas by Romeo Sketches and you're going to come across my book. Inside here are all these blank reference sheets of a mandala. All you've got to do is follow along and apply any of these patterns to this template. Very simple to do. You don't have to draw any of the circles or anything like that. That's if you're going to be coming along to one of my sessions on a Friday. If you haven't got the book, what you can do, just to get yourself prepared, there is a link in the description below that will take you to my website that you can download the template. You can download that, print it off, and then you can draw along with me. If you haven't got means of a printer or anything like that, get yourself a couple of saucers or anything that's round, a protractor or compass or anything, and draw yourself a couple of circles. There's plenty of videos on my YouTube channel that show you how to do all that. Separate it all off with the lines coming from the center. So you've got little segments, and then you can start drawing any of your mandala patterns inside of that. It's a great little book if you're into your drawing your mandalas, want to be practicing. There's blank pages also in there as well for you to practice any of the mandalas first as well. And if you come along to my live on 8 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock on a Friday. You don't have to draw. You can just come along, chill out. It's a Friday night. Pour yourself a drink if you want to, put your feet up, come along, have a chat, chill out, nice relaxing evening, watch me draw, ask me questions about anything, drawing, mandalas, anything like that. Or if you just want to come along for a chat, it's a very chilled out evening, very relaxing, or you can do a drawing with me as well. You don't have to do a mandala drawing, you can just do a drawing anyway. It's a nice chilled out evening from 8 o'clock on a Friday. Check it out, and I'll see you guys there. Moving on to today's Zentangle pattern. Drawing a very cool Zentangle owl. We're going to be drawing this. Very easy to do. Well, I'll say easy. It's actually quite easy to do. It is, once you've done the basic shapes to it and things like that. All you're going to be needing is a pen, pencil, eraser, piece of paper to follow along. What are we waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Give us a like if you did. Give us a comment in the comment section below. If you liked that, enjoyed that, doing any of these videos, doing any of these drawings yourself, upload them up onto Instagram. Tag me at Romeo_sketches. I want to see the guys' work that you guys are producing, or just send them over to me. You can DM me on my Instagram as well. If you're into your TikTok, I'm on TikTok as well now, uploading my videos. So you can follow me on TikTok. I'm looking to go live on TikTok as well. So if you want to find me on there, it's Romeo_sketches. You can find me on TikTok. Follow me on there, and I'll be uploading more videos, more drawing videos. There's going to be a lot more draw with me videos on there as well. So that's the next platform that I am working on. If you're into all that, come along and you can follow me on there as well. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, this is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.